What if I told you that Kia just built a pickup truck that's gunning straight for the Ford F-150 and the Chevy Silverado? The 2025 Kia Tasman isn't just some overseas experiment. This thing is serious hardware, and it's turning heads fast. We're talking raw power, a loaded interior, and a price tag that might just make the big guys sweat. But here's the thing. Is it actually worth your hard-earned cash, or is it all just hype? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what's up. Alright y'all, let's talk about what's actually going on here, because this ain't your everyday car drop. Kia has been on an absolute tear lately. Like, remember when Kia was just that budget brand your uncle bought because it was cheap? Yeah, those days are long gone. From the EV6 to the Telluride, Kia's been straight up clapping the competition. And now, they're coming for the pickup truck crown. Meet the 2025 Kia Tasman, Kia's very first body-on-frame pickup truck. And trust me, it's a big deal. This thing has been in development for years, and Kia didn't rush it. They built it tough, they built it smart, and they built it to compete with some of the most dominant trucks on American roads right now. Now here's the context that makes this even wilder. The pickup truck segment in the US is massive. We're talking billions of dollars. Die-hard loyalists in trucks like the F-150 and Ram 1500 that have ruled for decades. Breaking into that market, that's not just bold, that's audacious. The Tasman is targeting everyday drivers, outdoor adventurers, and worksite warriors who want capability without breaking the bank. It's built on a proper truck platform, it's got real towing muscle, and the interior way nicer than you'd expect. But here's what we don't know yet. Can it actually go toe-to-toe with the American legends? That's exactly what we're about to find out. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's break this bad boy down, because the Tasman is packed, and I want to make sure you catch everything that matters. First up, exterior design. This truck looks the part. Kia went full send on the design here. You've got this bold, squared-off front fascia with Kia's signature star map LED lighting. It's aggressive, it's clean, and it honestly looks like it costs way more than it does. The body lines are sharp, the wheel arches are wide and muscular, and it sits high enough to make a statement in any parking lot. Whether you're pulling up to a job site or a tailgate party, heads are turning. Period. Now let's step inside and, okay, real talk, this is where Kia really shows out. The cabin is legit impressive. You're getting a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a dual-zone climate control setup that keeps everybody comfortable. The materials feel premium, soft-touch surfaces, solid build quality, and enough storage to actually live out of this truck if you needed to. It doesn't feel like a work truck that forgot to be comfortable. It feels like both. Next, safety features. Kia loaded the Tasman up with their Smart Sense safety suite. We're talking lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. For a truck in this price range, that's a serious value add. You're getting safety tech that used to be reserved for luxury rides, and that ain't nothing to sleep on. Now here's where things get real spicy. Performance. The 2025 Tasman comes equipped with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine pumping out around 202 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque. And let me tell you, that torque figure is no joke. It pulls hard, it moves with confidence, and when you need to merge onto the highway with a loaded bed, it doesn't hesitate. That torque delivery is straight up nasty in the best way possible. The moment you put your foot down, this truck lunges forward with a confidence that honestly caught me off guard. For a brand new entry into the truck game, that's not something you just expect, but the Tasman delivers it like it's been doing this for years. Towing capacity comes in at a competitive range that puts it right in the conversation with mid-size rivals like the Toyota Tacoma and the Ford Ranger. Not F-150 territory, but honestly, for most people's real-world needs, it's more than enough. Let's talk fuel economy. On the fuel side, the Tasman is reasonably efficient for a body-on-frame truck, sipping gas at a rate that won't have you crying at the pump every week. We're looking at numbers that keep it competitive in the mid-size segment, which is exactly where Kia needs it to land. And the price. Oh, Kia throws a curveball here. The Tasman comes in at a starting point that undercuts some of its closest competitors, which means you're getting a whole lot of truck for the money. But here's the thing. The real value story gets even better when you look at the top trim levels, and trust me, you're going to want to hear what those bring to the table. Alright, here's where we get brutally honest, because no truck is perfect and y'all deserve the real talk. Let's run through the highs and the lows. The highlights, what Kia got right. First up, that torque delivery is straight up nasty in the best way possible. The moment you put your foot down, this truck lunges forward with a confidence that honestly caught me off guard. For a brand new entry into the truck game, that's not something you just expect, but the Tasman delivers it like it's been doing this for years. Then there's the interior quality. Look, in a segment where a lot of trucks still feel like glorified work vans on the inside, the Tasman walks in looking like it went to finishing school. The fit, the finish, the tech, it all feels cohesive and premium without being pretentious about it. And the value proposition? Unmatched right now. You're getting safety tech, comfort features, and real truck capability all bundled at a price point that makes the competition look like they're overcharging. That's a big W for everyday buyers. Now, the drawbacks, where Kia needs to step it up. But here's where I gotta keep it 100 with y'all. The Tasman isn't flawless. The towing numbers, while solid for a midsize, still fall short of what a full-size truck buyer expects. If you're hauling heavy equipment or a big boat on the regular, you might find yourself wanting more. Then there's brand perception. Like it or not, Kia still has to fight that reputation battle in truck country. Walking into a dealership in Texas or Oklahoma with a Kia pickup, some folks just ain't ready for that conversation yet. And finally, off-road capability feels like it's been left on the table a little. Compared to something like a Tacoma TRD Pro, the Tasman's trail performance is more capable commuter than hardcore crawler. So yeah, incredible highs, real limitations. But here's the thing. Does any of that actually stop it from being the best value truck on the market right now? All right, y'all, moment of truth. We've seen the design, we've felt the power, we've looked at the value, and we've kept it real about the flaws. So here's the bottom line. The 2025 Kia Tasman is legitimately one of the most exciting truck launches in years, and I don't say that lightly. The final verdict. If you're a daily driver who wants a truck that looks tough, rides comfortable, packs serious tech, and doesn't drain your bank account, the Tasman is a no-brainer. It hits that sweet spot between workhorse and lifestyle truck better than almost anything else in the mid-size segment right now. Kia didn't just show up to the truck game, they showed up ready. Who should buy it? If you're a weekend warrior or an outdoor adventurer, this truck was built for you. Camping trips, light trails, hauling gear, the Tasman handles it with ease. If you're a value-focused buyer who wants maximum features for minimum spend, stop looking. This is your truck. And if you're a first-time truck buyer, the comfortable interior and user-friendly tech make the Tasman one of the least intimidating trucks to transition into. Who should keep looking? If you're a heavy hauler or a serious off-road crawler, or someone whose job demands full-size towing numbers, the Tasman might leave you wanting more. In that case, the F-150 or Ram 1500 still hold that crown. The bigger picture. Here's what's really wild, though. The Tasman isn't just a truck, it's a statement. Kia is telling the entire auto industry that no segment is off limits anymore. And if this first-gen Tasman is already this good, the next generation might genuinely shake the foundation of the truck market in America. That's not hype, that's just where this is heading. So here's my question for you. Is America ready to park a Kia in truck country? Drop your answer in the comments. I genuinely want to know what y'all think. If this breakdown helped you out, smash that like button. Hit subscribe so you never miss a review, and share this with someone who's in the market for a new truck. We'll catch you in the next one. Let's ride.